Professor DeFrance here. Greetings, students. Today we're going to look at the visual text analysis discussion, which you can find located right here under week 3 on our Canvas page. So, you see the modules separated by weeks, mostly at the beginning. We have week 3 right there. I say mostly because after week 3 there's the project, which overlaps a couple weeks. All right, so today we're going to look at the discussion, and it's really quite short and simple. Once you read the lecture and do the essay, or I would say once you're familiar with the material, you can really get started. You don't have to wait until you're done with the essay, but it does help to wait till you're done with the lecture. All right, so this is a fun forum where you are asked to do some brief, short analysis of 2 films, bits and pieces, overlapping themes or messages, devices, that sort of thing. And then we're also going to comment on another student's post. And there is for this project, there's a hefty extra credit option on number 6. So let's go ahead and take a look at the discussion. So this is, of course, a online discussion. You can find it under discussions. You can find it also on the module page. You can submit your discussion right here. You can write it ahead of time in Word, or you can type it right into Canvas. It's up to you. Probably there's, you put a little time and thought into this. I would probably copy and paste it, spend a little time putting it together. All right, so we're going to view two of the following feature films: 12 Monkeys, The Truman Show, Pleasantville, The Matrix, the first one, Being John Malkovich, Adaptation, I Heart Huckabees, Hunger Games, the first one, Divergent, the first one, and discuss the following questions. Another option would be the television program Black Mirror, which you can find on Netflix, and I would highly recommend. To receive 100% on the form, you want to answer all 5 questions, which are listed right there. Provide your answers in short answer form, which means about 3 to 5 sentences per question. And here are the questions. What is the message of each film? Number 2, how are the messages in the films similar? 3, how are they different? How are the messages different? Right? Number 4, what devices, meaning visual devices, are used in each film? You want to comment and discuss one of your classmates' posts. There will be a little bit more instruction that I'm going to post on that. Basically, what you want to do there is, agree, disagree, add some analytical opinions. Your role as a student is not to say, evaluate another student's work. That would be my role as the instructor. So you don't want to put things like, good job. That'd be more like on the evaluator's side. As a student, you want to add some analytical, thoughtful comment about what they said, or about your feelings on this particular scene or this theme in this movie. But just avoid things that are qualifying, like great response. That is not that would not count. That does not count. Number 6, for extra credit, you want to connect the message or messages of 1 or 2, it is good either way, to Plato's Allegory of the Cave. So look at the video. There's an animated video on our Canvas page. There's the text of Allegory of the Cave. Thematically, you want to see those connections, right? How are any of these films similar in theme to Plato's Allegory of the Cave, which is this epic piece, which, I'll put it on the website there. There will be a copy of Allegory of the Cave and the great animated version that tells you also about the Allegory of the Cave. 10 points per question, 20 points for the extra credit. So a big chunk for the extra credit question there. Because it's not an easy question, it's a thought-provoking question, and I really I'll pay to play. I want to see your response there and have it be more than a couple sentences. So I offer a lot of extra credit there. All right, that's it. That is the visual text analysis discussion forum. You know, pick two films, watch them, or if you've seen them before, that's sufficient. I would probably, you know, watch bits and pieces of it or clips just to refresh yourself, but that should be fine. And you want to go onto the forum itself, which you can find right there, and answer the 4 questions. The fifth is to comment on a classmate's post, and the sixth is the extra credit option to tie it thematically in with Plato's allegory of the cave. Okay, that's it. Again, have fun. This is another one of those assignments that students, typically enjoy and have a good time with. So let me know if you have any questions, and have fun with this one.